Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman Ali Khan and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of April 2025 for all the Aquarius Ascendant people. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Aquarius Ascendant people, Sun controls your 7th house. And right now, Sun is starting from your second house in the sign of Pisces, where many planets are right now present, as we discussed in our last month prediction video. Sun will stay into your second house till 14th April 2025. After 14th April, Sun will move from your 11th second house to your third house in the sign of Aries, where Sun will be in its exalted position. Because Aries sign considered as a good sign for Sun will give very good result in the sign of Aries. Seventh house will be your relationships in journal, your marriage, your spouse is seen from your spouses are seen from seventh house in journal. Your how good you are in communication, other people's in respect to other people, how you will meet others, how others perceive you when you will meet others, and somehow your fame related matter also represented by seventh house. Your commitments, your legal bindings, your agreemented things, all of these things are represented by seventh house. So your seventh house lord will be transiting from your second house till April. Till 14th April, we can expect there will be a good result regarding your money related matter, regarding your savings related matter, because second house will be the savings, your money related matter, your bank account, your pocket, your early upbringing, your food intake habit, and your speech. You will get great result regarding non-living significance of your second house, but you need to be very careful regarding your speech related matter, because Mercury is also moving into your second house in its debilitation sign, also in its retrograde motion. So there are chances you may face some disturbing result due to Mercury in its debilitation sign, or especially Sun represent ego and also transiting from your second house till 14th April. That's why you need to be very careful regarding your speech related matter. You may involve into some communication difficulty with your family members, with your coworker or your friend circle. After 14th April, when Sun will move from your second house to third house, when Sun will be in its exalted position, then you will get great opportunities regarding your communication. You will be able to put a lot of effort into your work related matter as well, because third house will be your efforts, your communication, your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends, your ideas, your thought process, your hobbies somehow represented by third house. So all of these things will be going great after 14th April. Mercury, as we discussed in Sun section, Mercury controls your fifth house and your eighth house, and right now moving into retrograde motion and also into debilitation sign into your second house. Mercury come out from its retrograde motion till 8th April. On 8th April, so till 8th April, you need to be extra careful with your communication related matter, because speech is seen from second house, and Mercury generally represent communication and controls your fifth house and your eighth house. And right now, your eighth house is occupied by Ketu. So you may face some disturbing result regarding your speech and your speech related matter, especially because your eighth house is occupied by Ketu, and Mercury is taking Ketu's energy into second house, also moving in its debilitation sign or weak state. You don't go to save a lot of money till Mercury is moving to second house, because you may face some type of loss if you try to run towards your toward if you don't need to go towards saving a lot of money in the month of April till Mercury is moving into debilitation sign, because if you try to do that you will get some type of loss, because Mercury is moving in weak state. Also, Mercury controlling your fifth house, so fifth house will be the children, your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, your fiance, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, your fun activities. So when fifth house lord also moving in great motion, you need to be very careful regarding all of these matter as well. There are chances, especially till 8th April, you may get some disturbing result regarding your children's related matter if you are married right now, or if you don't have children, you are not married, then if you have any sincere love relationship, you need to be extra careful regarding all of that matter. Venus controls your ninth house and your fourth house, and right now Venus starting from your second house in the sign of Pisces. Fourth house deal with your home, your properties, your vehicles, your comfort, your homeland, your emotional peace, also represented by fourth house, your mother's relationship seen from fourth house. Ninth house deal with your father figures, your teachers, mentor, guider, advisors, your long distance travel, your pilgrimages, following the rules and regulations, your second marriage, your luck related matter, how fortunate you are, also represented by ninth house. So your ninth house and second house lord is all as well transiting from your second house in the sign of Pisces. But Venus is present in its exalted position, as Mercury is present in its debilitation sign, but Venus is giving you support because Venus is sitting in its exalted sign, its good sign. So your fourth house lord and ninth house lord giving you support regarding your Sun and Mercury related matter, because Sun and Mercury giving you bad result. But Venus will give you compensatory result in your second house regarding your savings, regarding your relationship related matter. You will tackle all the difficulty, but still till 8 April you need to be very careful regarding your communication related matter. If you're looking some buying some new property, then we can expect there will be a lot of possibility you will look to buy a new property or vehicle comfort related matter, because Jupiter is already transiting from your fourth house and Jupiter is expansion. So you may try to expand your home, you may try to expand your properties, vehicles, etc. At least you will think about that, especially till Venus moving in exalted position. Moon controls your sixth house, and right now Moon is transiting from your third house in the sign of Aries. The positions of planet you're watching on whiteboard is set according to 1st April 2025, because Moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in a single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe for every house in a monthly prediction video. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit in your birth chart easily. So first of all, whenever Moon is transiting from 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days you can expect you may have some type of issues, problem and difficulties in your life, because these houses considered either naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow issues, problem and difficulties are always associated with these houses. And Moon considered as a very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is transiting near any naturally malefic planet from any house in transit, during these days also you can expect you may have some type of issues, problem and difficulties in your life. And naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. So that's the easiest way to judge Moon transit in everyone's birth chart. Mars controls your third house and your 10th house, and right now Mars is transiting from your fifth house in the sign of Gemini. Mars was present in your fifth house for a long time previously, because Mars was already also moving its retrograde motion previously. And but right now around 3rd April, Mars is about to move from your fifth house to your sixth house in the sign of Cancer. And Cancer sign considered as a debilitation sign for Mars. So you need to be very careful at your work related matter in the month of April, especially after 3rd April. You may get some disturbing result at your workplace. Some co-worker may try to create conspiracy against you, may try to do some bad for you and hit your reputation at your work with your presence of your 10th house lord into your sixth house. Sixth house will be the enemy. You're against people also. So this position of Mars will create a situation like that. You may feel some disturbance. So you need to be very careful regarding all of this matter in the month of April. Try to avoid try to avoid extra communication at your workplace in the month of April, especially after 3rd April, because there are chances you may get some argument conflict at your workplace. So we can expect these results for all the Aquarius Ascendant people. Our today's video monthly prediction of April 2025 for all the Aquarius Ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove very beneficial for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.